I won't ever suck up to you, that's just some elation. Every time I step into a meeting, you feel star power. When I really look into myself, I know that's my power. Not insecure, although I'm self-destructive. I know my words, just never talk about it. I just keep my head down, do my best to keep it popping every second that I can. Cause when I take a break, then I start questioning my plan. I get up in my head and I start talking to my doubts. The other day they told me I should quit the music, shut my mouth, I never asked them why. I always hear it, but I never overthink an insecurity. You won't be hurting me, but still I be in my head sometimes. Feel it in my heart, I can feel it in my chest sometimes. I be in my head sometimes. Smoke a cigarette till I'm better, without a doubt whenever. I be in my head sometimes. Feel it in my heart, I can feel it in my chest sometimes. I be in my head sometimes. Smoke a cigarette till I'm better, without a doubt whenever. You fuck with me, stuck with me, kinda snug in this industry. Now I'm riding and dining it up. Label did nothing but stop me. I got a vision, it's cocky, but I don't need you to figure it out. And to my fans who are patient, I hope you know I'm the same bitch with even more than I'm dreaming about. And now it's hasta la vista to all the people that doubted me. In my vision, I'm singing it loud. I be in my head sometimes. Feel it in my heart, I can feel it in my chest sometimes. I be in my head sometimes. Smoke a cigarette till I'm better, without a doubt whenever. I be in my head sometimes.